Chair Ontiveros, Senator Lauren Legarda, and to my fellow public servants, and also to the resource speakers, a pleasant good afternoon. So, House Bill number 8474 is an act upgrading the Rojas Memorial Provincial Hospital situated in Barangay Lanot, City of Rojas, province of Capiz, into a level 3 general hospital to be known as Capiz Medical Center, and appropriating funds therefore. So the bill wants to create a new and modern hospital in Rojas City called Capiz Medical Center. So Rojas Medical Provincial Hospital is the sole provincial hospital in Capiz, and it is always in its full capacity because it serves not only the people of Capiz but also neighboring areas like the Southern Aklan, Northern Iloilo, also the island, solve the problem of congestion. The provincial government of Capiz started building its new hospital in 2010, and it's now 2026, so it's 16 years in the making. It has a 298 bed capacity, and at present it has outpatient department, like for example, the newborn continuity clinic, dialysis centers, and also eye care. However, the provincial government of Capiz does not have really have adequate resources, no, to finish the hospital, and so and also not only that, no, we cannot pay for the equipment and for the staff that is required, no, to run the hospital properly. And also we have 5 hospitals in Capiz which are funded by the provincial government, like for example the Tapas District Hospital in Tapas. It incurs about 60 million pesos a year in its expenses. And also the Senator Gerardo Rojas Memorial Hospital in Dao, about 80 million. Mambuso District Hospital in Mambusao, 80 million. And the Bailan District Hospital, which is in Pontevedra, first district, it about 100 million. And for in the city itself, the Rojas Memorial Provincial Hospital, it incurs about additional medical staff. So once this Capiz Medical Center is completed and taken over or managed by the DOH, it will have advanced medical services, and we'll have more beds. And also, we can offer new services like the training of doctors in the specialist fields like pedia, ENT, surgery, internal med, and also we can serve more the people in the neighboring areas like in Batad, Balasan, Carles, or also in Romblon, as I've said, Romblon and Masbate, and Southern Aklan also. And also, once it becomes a Capiz Medical Center, they're also pushing or planning to have this interventional cardiology, also the oncology specialty center, because there are cancer patients there. And sometimes they have to seek medical care in Iloilo or in Manila, and causing a delay in the treatment, and also incurring, or there's a considerable burden, no, additional financial, emotional strains on the affected families, and also these burden diseases, no, like the cardiovascular diseases and this cancer thing. They usually require specialized and prolonged chemotherapy. There's also this catheterization, also surgery, and prolonged medication. So it really will drain the families who will be affected, or who will bear this responsibility. And also the interventional cardiology, because there is a rising incidence of cardiovascular diseases in the region. So, and also cancer. So, this will pose a serious public health concern. And also, we also don't have a DOH retained hospital. While there's four in Iloilo, there's Santa Barbara, I mean Sanitarium Hospital in Santa Barbara. There's Western Visayas State University Hospital in La Paz. They're also in Western Visayas Medical Center in Mandurriao, and there's also in Barotac, Nuevo, but none in Capiz. So we hope that the Capiz Medical Center will become an apex hospital. And furthermore, no, no more. It's already past 1 o'clock. Anyway, we hope that we are really hoping for the full support, in this bill or this endeavor, because it will create a milestone and for the public health care in Capiz and also the neighboring, also the region itself. So this bill is very crucial, important, in order to assure the people of Capiz and also the neighboring areas that they can get excellent health care. Thank you, Madam Chair.